Open hi-hats are so cool. I'll tell you why. It's because they are. Obviously. So this groove is really good if you haven't been playing drums very long, but you want to start opening your hi-hat, which I highly suggest, because it means you're starting to use your four-way coordination. Yeah, B, we're using all four limbs today. Yes, God. If you take away the open hi-hat, all that's going on is a normal eighth note groove. So this thing. You probably recognise that if you've seen my other videos. If you don't recognise it and you want to learn how to do it, it's in this playlist, New Drummers Toolkit. Counting is going to be very important in this. It's important in all of drumming, but this specifically, because if you haven't used your left foot before, this is a new world, this is a new territory, it might be quite tricky for you. Or not, let's hope not. So remember, we've got this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you're bringing your left foot up and opening the hi-hat on the and of 1. So 1 and then you're bringing it down on 2, like that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, what do we know that comes down on 2 as well? The snare drum. So it does help you sync up your limbs a little bit, because you know your left foot is coming down at the same time as your left hand is for the backbeat. Notice how you've got everything coming down at once, both hands and your left foot. 1, open, close, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's add the kicks back in on 1 and 3, both snare drums 2 and 4, and see what happens. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. A bit faster. 1 and 3 and 4 and. Have fun engaging all four limbs. Sounds very technical, but it is fun, I promise.